Azon Store Hub allows you to create new WordPress sites using our free hosting and your own custom domain. This is very useful if you don't want to use a subdomain and you would like to have better branding. First of all, you'll need to register your custom domain. I like to use Namecheap because they have the lowest prices, but you can use GoDaddy, Google Domains, or any other domain registration service you like. Once you have your domain registered, you can proceed to the next step over at Azon Store Hub. To begin, on the WordPress sites page, click this big red button and choose Create New Site. Give your site a name. I'm going to go with My Best Store. On this next option, you'll need to choose Use My Own Domain, and then enter your domain URL. I've registered a domain called mybeststore.club, clicking Add New Site button. So now Azon Store Hub will start setting up the site on our free hosting server, and while it's doing its thing, you can do the next step that connects your new domain to our hosting. For that, we're going to use a free service called Cloudflare. Cloudflare offers a lot of different services, but we are going to use their DNS service. So you'll need to register your account if you don't already have one. Just go to cloudflare.com, enter your email, pick a password, and click Sign Up. Click Create New Account, and you arrive at the page asking you for your domain. I'm going to enter mybeststore.club, click Scan DNS Records, and give it a few seconds. Once the scan completes, you can click Continue. On this next page, we're going to change a couple of records. First, we'll need to change IP address for the A record, which is this first line here. To get your correct IP address, go to Azon Store Hub again, where you've just created your new site. You will find your IP address in this blue box at the top. This is actually the IP address of the server where your site is hosted at by our system. Select and copy it, open Cloudflare tab again, click here, select everything, delete and paste your correct IP address. Next, if your CNAME record has something else besides your domain, like in this example, it's pointing to some domain parking service by my domain registrar. You'll need to delete that and make sure that it has your domain instead. You don't have to worry about other lines. Now that we made these changes, we can click Continue. On the next page, Cloudflare is going to offer you some premium services, but you only need their free service, so click on Free Website and then Continue. The only thing left to do here is to change your name servers over at your domain registration provider. This is where you registered your domain. I'll show you how to do it with Namecheap, but the steps should be pretty similar for other providers like GoDaddy, etc. So here at Namecheap, you just need to find your domain, click Manage, and then find Name Servers section where it says Basic DNS. I'm going to choose Custom DNS, switch over to Cloudflare, copy the value for Name Server 1, paste it here, copy the value for Name Server 2, paste it, and then click this check mark to save the changes. Now that we've changed that, it's going to take up to 24 hours for the changes to take effect, but sometimes you'll be able to see them in just a few minutes. Don't forget to click Continue. To check if changes took effect, you can just go to your site URL. If you see a WordPress site, that means that your new site with your custom domain is ready. If you see some other message or error, that means you'll need to check again later.